Hey y'all, it's Sarah, and this week's book review is over the science fiction novel The Darkest Star by Jennifer L. Armentrout. Two kinds of aliens, human-alien hybrids, a post-invasion world, romance, and ridiculously truthful quotes like, "That was what I wanted at some point in my life, for someone to look at me like I look at tacos." Sounds intriguing, right? All of this can be found in the novel The Darkest Star, a spin-off book of Jennifer L. Armentrout's Lux series. It follows the story of 17-year-old Evie and the mysterious, definitely alien Luke. The two meet, and it's not all rainbows and sunshine. In fact, their first meeting involves Luke insulting Evie, Evie insulting Luke, and then the RAC, Retinal Alien Check, violently invading the club they're at to search for unregistered Luxon. Despite the hostile beginning, Luke seems to constantly seek out Evie, even if it is just to annoy her, and Evie cannot seem to understand why she is attracted to the annoying alien. But soon Evie appreciates the constant presence of Luke as she makes some shocking personal discoveries, on top of someone murdering girls at her school that look a lot like her. It's better to have a crazy powerful alien on your side when a serial killer is on the loose. Though this book is unquestionably a science fiction romance, the friends in this book will steal your heart. Logical Zoe and lovable Heidi are always there for Evie, even with dead bodies showing up on school grounds by a killer who swears he knows Evie. An excellently done book filled with wit, humor, and mystery, The Darkest Star is perfectly suited for those romance book lovers in high school and would make a great addition to any library. Personal warnings for this book: it is geared towards older young adults and may not be best suited for those in middle school. Also, I would highly recommend reading the original Lux series first, as it gives you the story of how the world was invaded and the group that stopped it. The first book is called Obsidian. Final side note, if you love her writing style and want more, be aware that she writes both young adult and adult fiction. Some of her books are not appropriate for younger audiences, but she has some amazing series that you should definitely check out. I hope you all enjoyed this book review. I'll talk to y'all next time.